Guys, so for the whole day pretty much we've been trying to make Daisy a dog bed out of boxes. Yeah, I forgot to block the beginning, but it's what we got so far. It's stage 2. Hand tufted the headboard. Now we're about to do the cover the sides. Alrighty, we finished step dos. Well, no,
2, 3, and 4.
we finished 3 and 4. We put arms on it. It's cute with comfy arms, and we got the little cushion on the front. This took like
we've been doing it for about since about 2:30.
Yeah, we started at like 2:30.
So now we just have to make the actual bed pillow.
Yeah.
Clean up the edges, cut off all the excess fabric,
and glue the feet on it. This is the finished product so far.
And there she is in all her glory. I think she cares more about the rubbing than the bed.
Yes. She hasn't realized that it's hers yet.
Hey you guys, I just got the Goblet of Fire. I have the other 3, which isn't another vlog, but I just got this one. I've had it in my cart on Amazon since it came out, and if you can see, it's $47.99. And one day I got on my Amazon and it was literally $17 and some change, so I immediately bought it. And so in total with tax and everything, it was like $18, which on Amazon it was usually like 27 to like 30 something every time I had seen it. You guys know prices on Amazon with different products change all the time. And I saw that this was $17 and I was like, oh, that's mine. So yeah, ended up getting the illustrated Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. And she is beautiful, just like the other ones. Highly recommend getting these if you are a Harry Potter fan. The art is incredible. See if you can find it on Amazon. I'm not sure if it's still $17, but it's always cheaper on Amazon. At bookstores like Barnes & Noble or wherever you go to buy books, they are typically the price that is inside. But on Amazon, they're usually at least, I'd say 30 to 40% cheaper than if you buy it at the bookstore. I just thought I'd show you the new edition. I do plan on reading these at some point. Speaking of, I started reading Then She Was Gone, and this book is pretty darn good. I'm into it, and I'm looking at some other books by Lisa Jewell that I would like to purchase, but this book is definitely pretty good so far. Alright guys, so I just got a new chair delivered and Sarah and I are going to try to put it together. This is the chair. Welcome back to Handy Mandy and Barbara the Builder. How hard can it be to put together a chair? So here's the base. What does it say first?
Kafooey.
You put it, plop that in, then you plop. And then we're gonna put on the wheels, these heavy duty wheels. We're on step 3. We need J and M. So that's J, that's M.
Oh, this is oh. This should be easier to open.
We're gonna attach this to the chair. Alrighty guys, we apply the butt piece to the wheelie adjuster thingy on. There you go. Alright, she's on. So then the footrest slides and flips. Cool.
Flip it the other way. And then, there you go.
Nice. Again, that's J. That's I. These are L. So you put it like this, and then you should be able to screw it in. So that is screwed in here, and then we just have to put on the arms. K and N. When the hell are we gonna use P? Never. So you guys, if I fall out of this chair, it's because you guys heard I asked Sarah about P.
Look, there's no P on this list.
Sarah, just, if you know, take it out. Yeah, it's way easier. Oh my, just use one hand. Well, this is how you get the arms in, guys. Guys, this is the finished chair. We put my, it's a rug, but I use it to drape on the back of chairs. So we put it on the back of the chair. It fits perfectly. Whee! So I've got some shrimp marinating. It's marinating in dark soy sauce, which is very messy. This shoyu sauce, some honey, and I've got some umami and ginger and garlic. So this is gonna chill until I'm ready to cook it. I'm going to boil these udon noodles and then pan fry them in some sauce. Sarah's actually helping cook today, so she's chopped up a red cabbage, and we have some bell pepper and some onions.
I shredded these myself.
She shredded these by hand,
And I grew these.
and she grew these.